Hi, I'm Dr. Earl Hill, ordained minister of the Gospel of Jesus Christ and a licensed professional counselor. I'm president of Hotep Christian Services, Inc. We're a 501c3 nonprofit corporation. We're a faith-based community mental health organization. We've been working with teenagers who have attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, for the past year. They have a difficult time concentrating, performing well in school, at home, and in their communities. Many times their behavior is mistaken for character flaws because they have low levels of dopamine in their limbic systems in their brains. This disallows them the ability to make rational decisions and to remember moral decisions. Now, we teach these kids social skills and their families conflict resolution strategies and how to parent children and adolescents who have ADHD. We found that by educating their families on parenting strategies that work and making sure they have been prescribed the correct medications that and teaching them strategies of maximizing effective decision making, their disorder can be managed. During the school year, we provide facilitation in their schools with the administrations to make sure these kids have proper accommodations afforded them by law. These same problem kids can live productive lives. Now, from July 2012 to March 2013, we treated 7 teenagers and their families who were all faced with these behavioral challenges. After 9 months, 5 families have moved on. The kids are doing well at school, at home, with their families, and in community. They're doing very well. Matter of fact, playing sports, and one kid got the first B's that he ever got in his life after participating with our program for 9 months. Now, the counseling services that we provided were paid for through a pilot project of our local government. However, the county ran out of funding and the contract ended in March. There are now 2 families that still need and have requested our help, and 2 new families requesting our assistance. We, the members of HOTEP, we give God the glory for the success of the first 5 families, and we're believing that we can raise the money to assist these 4 new families this summer. Your help will allow us to provide much needed mental health services and family counseling to indigent families who would otherwise not get this assistance. Our program is called the HOTEP Summer Peace Program. We need $5,000 in order to serve them throughout the summer and to prepare them for the next school year. We will provide 5 psychotherapeutic counseling sessions each month to each family, 2 individual, 1 family session, 1 parenting session, 1 group social skills session, and 1 group outing. We'll transport them back and forth. Most of them don't have vehicles where they can get to a counseling session. And now that's about $550 per family, and that's 4 families, which comes to $4,400. The other $400 will go towards gasoline to transport them. We have our own conversion van, which we move them in. And for each parenting session, we will budget about $50 for snacks or refreshments or lunch or tickets if we take the kids out to an event. Now, we have some nice perks for those who donate to the Summer Peace Camp program. For the first 100 who donate $25, you'll get a $5 gift certificate to Starbucks. For the first 100 who donate $100 or more, you'll get a $10 certificate, uh, gift certificate to Applebee's or Fridays. And for those who donate $500 or more, you'll get a $50 gift certificate to Macy's. And for the first person who donates $1,000 or more, you'll get a brand spanking new 32-inch flat screen television. If we don't reach our entire goal, that means we won't be able to serve as many families. We're already serving 2 families out of our pocket right now with 1 session per week. And so we really need your help. Um, we found in our Family Hope pilot program that when we provide 5 sessions each month to each family, we increased the quality of life greatly by their own report and reduced the recidivism rates of these kids getting involved in trouble by 70%. Um, so 70% of those we helped had a zero recidivism rate. In today's society, there's a new Jim Crow, and it's the prison industrial complex in the colorblind society. HOTEP means peace, and our program helps keep our kids engaged, safe, and hopeful. It helps them to choose positive, peaceful, and productive pathways for life. I have several stories that I could tell you, but I'll tell you one of a guy who was AWOL when we came along. We worked through the juvenile justice system here in our county in Michigan, in Washington County. This kid was AWOL, but after participating in our program, he began to not only work through the processes, and his parents took in the family education piece and the parent education information about ADHD. This kid joined a football team as well, and he went on to play in a national championship. He developed some new friendships. He went back to his regular school. He's an athlete, and he's a student, and he hasn't had any more challenges with the justice system. There's another family where the young man was never gotten. I told you he got his first B's this semester. He was estranged from his father, who his biological father, and we were able to counsel the family and bring these two blended families back together. And he's doing very well at home with his family and in school. So we encourage you to help us this year with the HOTEP Summer Peace Program. Every kid needs a summer camp. This is a specialized one for these kids that'll go from July through through August and get them ready for school. God bless you for listening. Thank you. And we look forward to working with you. Our website, if you want more information about HOTEP, it is www.hotepcsi.org. And we hope that you donate and get on board with us, and we will make good use of the money and help keep the peace in the community. HOTEP means peace.